Dear alumni and alumni, I'm Daniel Todacastan and I'm the Vice President of the IMA Alumni Association. I would like to encourage you to participate in the General Assembly. Until the 24th of May, you have the opportunity to comment on the various documents that you're putting to your consideration, among them the new statute of the association. From the 30th of May until the 7th of June, you will have the opportunity to vote on those issues, statute, accounts, projects of the future, and also on 3 board members that we need to elect. Remember, in order to be able to participate and particularly to vote, you need to be an active member. If you're not yet one, please become one by paying your membership fee. You can have information on how to do this on our website. Participate. It's about us, it's about the association and its future, and we would love to have as many views and as many voters as possible. Hope to see you there.